Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is relaxer day. To get started, I am sectioning my hair because I am about to base my scalp, and these are also the sections that I'm going to relax my hair in. I am using the Blue Magic coconut oil grease, but really you can use whatever grease you have on hand. You can use like petroleum jelly, Vaseline, Aquaphor, whatever you have. Just something to put that little protective layer on your scalp so that you don't experience that much irritation. Next, I'm going in with my relaxer of choice, and this is after I've based my entire scalp around the perimeter and behind my ears. And the relaxer that I like to use is the olive oil professional one, the lye relaxer. And as you can see, I just put the relaxer on like one side of my hair, then I flip it over and put it on the other side, and I just work in those quadrants. And I start off in the back, but I don't start off like in the nape, if that makes any sense. And once I've put relaxer all over those sections, then I go back in and touch those areas that I didn't touch, like the very back of my neck. I go and put relaxer right there, and I also smooth the sections and add more relaxer to make sure that it processes and I have enough relaxer on my head. What I used to do, and a mistake that I used to make that would lead to under processing, is that I would not put enough relaxer on my hair because I was just so scared of, over processing and messing my hair up. But you really need to apply enough relaxer or it's not going to work. I also let it sit on my hair for just a few minutes, maybe like 5 to 7 minutes after I relax, because I go through that process of putting the relaxer on my head really fast, and I want to make sure it has time to process. Next, I am going to shampoo my hair, but first I start off by trying to just rinse as much relaxer out of my hair as possible. And I have like the spray function turned on my little water spout thing. To me, that just works better in getting all the relaxer off faster instead of just using the water as it comes out of the spigot. You want to make sure you have some sort of neutralizing shampoo. I am using the Luxury Moisturizing Shampoo by Silk Elements. I really like this one, and this is a color indicator one. So if you can notice, my the shampoo, the bubbles, the lather is pink, and that's because I still have relaxer in my hair. So what I do is I shampoo until the soap suds turn white. So this may vary depending on how good you are at really just like scrubbing your hair and getting that relaxer out. But for me, it takes me about 5 to 6, I'm gonna say 5 to 7 like times of lathering for the suds to turn completely white. And at that point, my hair is fully neutralized. If you can see my hair, the relaxer took really well and my hair is really straight. I've gotten so much better at this process. So if you're not really good at it and you're willing to like keep learning and keep trying, you will get better over time. Because when I first started, like I said, my hair would be under processed every time, and I will also have to shampoo my hair so many times. But now I've gotten it down to really, I can get away with like 5 to 6 shampoos and it's done. See, this is the last shampoo, and you see the suds are white. You really want to focus on the front, like how I'm scrubbing right here, and in the back and the nape. That's where I tend to like notice a lot of relaxer residues still left behind. And also take that water spout and scrub it like in your hair. That'll help get the relaxer off as well. Next, I'm conditioning my hair with the Advanced Repair Vitamin E Conditioner by Silk Elements. This is a rinse out conditioner, and I do this before I color my hair, and then I go in with the deep conditioner that you see on the screen. I am moving fast because I could not find the clips on my camera showing where I dyed my hair or deep conditioned my hair, But I did dye my hair after this, and I did deep condition and let that conditioner sit on there for about 20 minutes and rinsed it out. And then I proceeded to blow dry and style. To blow dry my hair, I like to use the Chi 44 Iron Guard, which is a heat protectant. It works really well. This is the blow dryer that I'm using and the brush. I will have all the products listed in the description box, and I will also leave the steps that I used in the description box as well, because I know this video is moving pretty fast, or at least it's moving fast for me. And now I am moving on to the last part, which is styling. When I heat style my hair, I like to use the Olaplex Bonding Oil number 7, and I also like to use the Chi Silk Infusion. This just adds a little bit of extra shine and moisture to my hair and acts as a finishing. You're also going to see me use a hairspray at the end, which I don't typically use hairspray, but I needed my hair to stay in place because I was going somewhere and it was really windy this day. So that's what I did. If you guys have any questions on my relaxer process, please leave them in the comments, because I would be happy to answer them. But it's pretty much just a straightforward process. You base your scalp, then you put the relaxer on. After the relaxer is on, let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes is what I do. Then you want to neutralize your hair by washing your hair with neutralizing shampoo until you have got all the relaxer out. And then you want to do some sort of deep conditioning treatment to your hair. I did 2 conditioning sessions, but really you can get away with doing just 1. And that is the process, and that's what I do. It's very simple. And that's it. And I used to trim my hair on relaxer day, but I am in the process of growing my hair out, as I have been for a while. And one of the things that I noticed that was like stunting my hair growth was trimming so much. So now I only trim my hair like every 3 to 4 months. So it's not quite time for a trim yet. But yeah, that's all I'm doing. And to style my hair, I flat iron straight first. Then I go in and curl it with the same flat iron. I don't know where that clip was of me straightening it, but I have other videos on my channel where I'm straightening my hair or flat ironing it. And after I add the curls, I like to just like go through with the paddle brush and like form my hair into a wrap, and then comb that wrap down. And what this does is just make it so that my hair is not so curly, you know, because I'm not really going for a curly look today. I'm just going for body. So immediately after I wrapped it, I took it down, and I combed it down rather, and now I just parted it, and I'm using that hairspray to keep that part in place and to keep the body that I do have in place. Let me know how you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I am so happy to be back, and there is more content on the way. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.